Good day. This is Dr. Chris Cradle at Athens Drive Magnet High School. I am the instructor for the EMT course that's taught at Athens. You are receiving this PowerPoint presentation and tutorial that's getting everybody ready for the deans and other counselors to getting ready for students to start applying for the 2018-2019 EMT course taught here at Athens. So let's get started with the PowerPoint here. The location of the course for the EMT course at Athens is going to be in room 1926B here at Athens Drive Magnet High School. We'll be following the Wake County Public School traditional calendar. So no matter what school you're at, no matter what calendar that you follow, if you come to take the EMT class here at Athens, you'll be following that traditional calendar for your fifth block. The time we meet is from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. 90 minutes a day of following the traditional calendar. We have a maximum enrollment of 16 students. Once we meet that, a waiting list will be created. But deans and other counselors, please be aware. This has been an issue in the past. Please know that your school may have as many students that want to apply, not just one student from every school. So please let as many students that you have apply. 16 will be chosen using a lottery, and a waiting list will be created. So please have as many students from your school that want to apply. The application process will be talked about in a few minutes here. Students will be required to provide their own transportation. The criteria that's set so far, and please see the prerequisites we'll talk about. Students have to be juniors and seniors. That is a requirement. Some stuff that the students have to do. Students must complete and turn in an EMT application and have 2 teachers' recommendations turned in sealed envelopes with their application. Student applications and teacher letters are due by the end of school on May 31st, 2018 to me. Students they must turn 17 years of age by the end of the school year, the last day of the traditional calendar they take the EMT course. Students must be interested in the health science field, or health field, or other public safety careers. Students must have a good attitude and a very good discipline record. Students must obtain parental or guardian approval. This is a college-level course taught at high school, which means we'll be covering college-level material and discussing college-level information. So they have to have this parental and guardian approval. This is the application process. If you look to the right, I apologize that it's blurry. No matter what I do when I pull it up here, it's blurry. That's the actual application. It's 1 page, and it is self-explanatory. Fill it in. Please follow the directions, including writing your paper. Then the one that's on the left that's actually clear is a copy of the teacher evaluation that we're asking everybody to have done. 2 recommendations from teachers. One has to be a science teacher that they have actually had, and one needs to be a CTE teacher that they've taken a class with. If they have not taken a CTE class, then they may choose one other science teacher. So the first day of class will start on Wednesday, August 29th, 2018. So how do you register? Deans, if you would, please use the following URL code to complete the Athens Drive Magnet High School 2018-2019 EMT student registration intents. These intents are to be to me, Dr. Cradle, by 5 p.m. on May 24th, 2018. Just click on the URL code, and it'll take you to you, fill the information out, and then it will be actually submitted to me. This has to be submitted to me by 5 p.m. on May 24th. The student applications and teacher letters are due by the end of the school day on May 31st, 2018. And there's my email address, ccradle@wcpss.net by 5 p.m. on May 31st. We'll be using a lottery to select the students. Priority will be given to seniors. This course does follow the drop add time period. Will occur between August 27th and September 27th, 2018. A couple things that the students need to be aware of. There are a couple things that they are required to buy. They are required to buy an Athens Drive Magnet High School EMT polo, which they'll be wearing during their clinical hours. This will cost them between $25 and $35. I put 30 there, and I apologize. It can go between 25 and 35. They're also required to purchase their AHA, American Heart Association Healthcare Provider CPR card. These cards range between $5 and $7. So as you see there, I put 7 to make sure that it's covered. Then if they'd like to, they can also purchase an end-of-course challenge coin for approximately $10 to $12. The pins and things we've used in the past have been between 5 and 10, so I put 10 there. So to give us a little bit of background about the EMT1 and EMT2 courses, this is 2 separate courses that are taken together. The EMT1 and EMT2 have to be taken the same school year, not EMT1 your junior year and EMT2 your senior year. Both courses are put together to meet the mandatory hours of training by the North Carolina Office of Emergency Medical Services. So this course is a 2-semester long course, and you receive 2 semesters of credit for honors level of credit, and so you have to do a honors level portfolio. This course will meet the Wake County Public School System's drop and add period for the first 10 days of school. All Wake County Public School Systems high school rules and policies will apply, i.e. absentees, code of conduct, dress. And you may read on your own here the description of the EMT1, which is an honors course. Please be aware of the prerequisite. They have got to have completed the 11th grade English. This is a North Carolina Office of Emergency Medical Services requirement. This is not a DPI requirement. This is Office of Emergency Medical Services. So they have got to have completed the 11th grade English before they can apply for this course. Then you have the Emergency Medical Technician 2. This is also an honors course. The prerequisite is if they have got to have completed Emergency Medical Technology 1. So, I'll give you a little bit of background about myself. Here again, my name is Dr. Chris Cradle. I maintain my EMTP, my paramedic, my certified intensive care provider, and I have a PhD in counseling. It is not a medical doctor, so my students my students can either call me doctor or chief. My teaching experience is as follows. I have 33 years involved in the field of EMS. I have 26 years as a certified paramedic with EMS agencies, and 6 of those years was with Rex Critical Care. I have 24 years of experience as an EMS field preceptor at the paramedic level. I have 20 years of experience with the American Heart Association instructor for BLS, ACLS, PALS, and also 13 years as an adjunct EMS instructor at Johnston Community College, and 5 years as an adjunct critical care instructor with Rex. And I now have 10 years of experience as a level 1 and a level 2 paramedic instructor with the North Carolina Office of Emergency Medical Services. If you have any questions, please email me at ccradle@wcpss.net. And I look forward to it. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me through email. Thanks, and you have a great day.